Be honest, how much of your stuff is just there? The high-tech blender you had to have but never use. The stack of books collecting dust because one day you will read them. Or that dress you bought for a special occasion that never actually happened. If your home feels more like a storage unit than a living space, it's time for a change. Today, I'm giving you 8 game-changing ways to declutter like a minimalist without guilt, without hesitation, and without that sneaky little voice saying, "But what if I need it later?" By the end of this video, you won't just have less clutter, you will have more space, more freedom, and more peace of mind. Sounds like a win? Let's dive in. So the first thing is travel light in life and in suitcases. I used to be the person who packed for a weekend trip like I was moving to another country. 3 pairs of shoes for a 2-day trip, why not? But then I had the realization, the less I pack, the more freedom I have. I have a friend who once biked across China with just 2 backpacks. Meanwhile, I went on a road trip and packed my entire trunk full of stuff, just in case. Guess who had the better experience? Well, it wasn't me. It's the same in everyday life. The less we carry, physically and mentally, the lighter we feel. That's why I ditched my heaven winter coat for a lightweight, ultra-warm jacket. I swapped bunky furniture for sleek, multi-purpose pieces. And you know what? Life instantly feels easier. So here's the challenge. What's one heavy thing in your life that you can replace with something lighter? Let me know in the comments. If you love practical minimalism tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We keep it fun, we keep it real, and we declutter without losing our minds. Number 2 is, if you haven't worn it in a year, let it go. Alright, let's be honest. Your closet is probably holding some deep secrets, like that fancy dress you swear you will wear to a gala but never got invited to. Or these jeans from 5 years ago that you swear will fit again one day. Even if they do, fashion moves on, and so should you. I used to keep clothes for years, convinced that one day I'd wear them again. Guess what? That day never came. I had this designer coat, like $2,000 limited edition, absolutely gorgeous, but wear it exactly twice. Did I let it go? Nope. Instead, I kept it like a treasure in my closet, feeling guilty every time I saw it. Then I made a rule. If I will be willing to sell it, I don't need it. If I wouldn't even consider selling it, then it's actually valuable to me. The moment I let go of that coat, I wasn't sad, I was relieved, and someone else got to enjoy it. So here's your mission. Take a look at your closet. If something hasn't seen daylight in a year, I think it's time. Sell it, donate it, pass it on, but don't let it take up space in your life and in your mind. You deserve a closet filled with clothes you actually love and wear, not a storage unit for maybe someday. Next one is a challenge. I want to say, not everyone in North America needs a car. Yes, I said it. When I told my co-workers I didn't have a car, their reactions were priceless. They look at me like I was going through something, like maybe I needed financial help. One guy even asked, "Are you okay?" But here's the thing. I was more than okay. I walked like 30 minutes to work every day, which meant I got free exercise, free air, and time to clean my head. Meanwhile, my coworkers were paying for gas, insurance, and parking, only to go to the gym after work. Make it make sense. Now I get it. If you live in the middle of nowhere, a car is a must. But if you're in a city with solid public transportation like Vancouver, or your life mostly happens in the same few places, ask yourself, do I actually need a car, or do I just think I'm supposed to have one? Cars are expensive, right? Stressful, and requires maintenance. Letting go of one means saving money, working more, and reducing stress. And if you ever really need a car, there's Uber, rentals, and car sharing services, right? Minimalism isn't about never owning things. It's about owning what truly adds value to your life. So, is your car an asset, or is it just another bill? Think about it. Number 4, rethinking your living space. Let's talk about furniture. Specifically, that coffee table sitting in your living room right now. You know, the one buried under books, old recipes, and that one random candle you never light. Yeah, that one. For the longest time, I thought a living room had to have a couch, a coffee table, and a TV. Because that's just how things are, right? But then, one day, I just realized I don't even watch TV. And my coffee table, it was basically a glorified clutter magnet. So I did something wild. I got rid of them. Instead, I now have a standing desk and a coffee chair. That's it. And my space feels so much lighter. No more clutter, no more unnecessary furniture taking up room. Just a space that actually works for me. Here's the thing. A lighter home, a lighter mind. So take a look around your living space. What furniture do you have just because you think you're supposed to? Do you actually use it, or is it just there? Let go of the excess, and you might be surprised by how much more peaceful your home and your life feels. Number 5 is go paperless. Yes, welcome to the 21st century. Once upon a time, my desk was a paper disaster zone. Notebooks stacked like Jenga towers, recipes crammed into drawers, and mystery papers I was too scared to throw away. Like, what if it was important, right? Then I went digital. Let me tell you, instant peace of mind. No more lost notes, no more clutter, and no more digging through a pile of paper just to find that one important document. Now everything is in the cloud, searchable and packed up. If your home looks like a 90s office, it's time for a change. You can start by scanning important documents using digital planners and unsubscribing from junk mail. Seriously, those paper statements, you don't need them. Oh, let's not forget the aesthetic upgrade. A clean paper-free desk makes you look so much more put together. Minimalism, but make it digital. Next one is my favorite. Multi-use items are your best friend. If an item can do more than one job, it deserves a place in your life. Otherwise, it's just a clutter. For example, my iPad is my Kindle, TV, journal, and sometimes even my laptop. And my foldable dining table, it's a dinner table by night, work desk by day, and extra counter space when needed. My backpack, it's my gym bag, travel bag, and everyday carry-all. The fewer single-purpose items you own, the less clutter you have, and the more space and freedom you gain. So before buying something, ask yourself, can this do at least like 2 things? If not, do you really need it? Number 7 is ditch the wallet. Seriously, true story. I haven't used a real wallet in like years. And guess what? I don't miss it. In China, everything was mobile payments. I never carried cash. And I definitely didn't carry a thick, overstuffed wallet like my dad. No, even my dad used Alipay. Then I moved to Canada and thought, okay, maybe I need a wallet again. But honestly, it was a hassle. Now I just keep a single card and some emergency cash in a tiny fabric pouch. That's it. No more digging through receipts and old membership cards or expired coupons I forgot to use. Life is simpler. My pockets are lighter, and I never panic about losing my wallet because I don't have one. So if your wallet is bursting at the seam, take this as your sign. Just slim it down. Number 8, let go of the just-in-case mentality. While this classic, I might need this one day excuse, if I had $1 for every time I said that, I could probably retire. But here's the truth. 99% of those just-in-case items, you will never ever use them. That box of old cables, that pile of random Tupperware lids, that one sweater you might wear on a trip to, I don't know, wherever, someday, let them go. Here's how I deal with this. If you can replace this for under $20 in less than 20 minutes, you don't need to keep it. And if you do need it in the future, you will probably forget you even had it in the first place. So free up your space, clear your mind, and trust that if one day really come, you will figure out. So letting go isn't about having less. It's about making room for what truly matters. When you remove the excuse, you gain clarity, peace, and a whole lot more freedom. So which of these tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment and let me know. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more minimalism hacks. See you next time. Bye!